Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this Bratz doll look. Just to let you guys know, some of it, the video got cut off towards the end, but I'm just going to show you guys anyway. Alright, so now I am using this new brush. I'm using a Real Technique beauty sponge. But you can see that I'm like applying right here, and it's basically like, you see that it's like kind of not blending. So yeah, I had to like scratch that idea. And I was like, what the heck? So yeah, I had to use I had to switch back to my usual Mary Kay blender. I was just checking like, what the heck? It's not blending that well after I used that sponge. So as you guys can see, like I put concealer over my face. And that is a little bit light. Not a little bit. It is light. But that's to give me like a more mannequin doll looking finish that I was going for. Because I'm trying to like do like an everyday Bratz doll type of look. So yeah. So I'm just going ahead and like getting that little bit of like a matte finish. You know, just to kind of conceal and correct with that concealer that's a little bit light. So yeah, I'm just rubbing it in. And I already have like my lip gloss on just to keep my lips like kind of big and plump. I got that like lip plumper on, so it's like making my lips a little bit bigger so I can look like a Bratz doll. So yeah, when you're done, you're gonna add like a little bit of contour on the sides, and you're gonna work that in, give your face like a little bit of a doll look. Because you know, like Bratz dolls, they have like that dark, like not dark look, but like that little dollish look where it's like contrast within the doll. So basically now I'm just like rubbing powder in, and you can see that I'm becoming a little bit more like, I'm looking more dolled up than normal. Like I look like, you can see like with me adding the concealer, like it made my face look a little bit more dolly. I don't know how to say it, but anyway, I'm just adding contour. Because dolls, they have a lot of heavy makeup on. So yeah, I'm just going for that like regular brushed look. And I'm just contouring wherever I see fit. So now I'm just checking and like, oh yeah, I look like really mysterious type of look. And now I'm just going in like with the regular makeup. So this look is inspired by not any particular Bratz doll, but more so of a everyday type of Bratz doll look. In case you're like trying to be like an Instagram model and you just want to look like normally badder than usual, and you want to go for that big lip type of look. Yeah, so this was just an inspiration idea. It wasn't like, oh, I'm really trying to transform myself into a doll. It's more like a inspiration. So yeah, you just see me like working that that brown like shade in my eyelids just to make it a little pop a little bit more. Yeah, so this video is not sped up. That way you can see exactly what I'm doing. And excuse my nails if you see there's like a little bit of red in between my nails. You know what that means, that I was eating hot chips. Yup, it's really hard to get out of your fingernails. Yeah, so basically here I'm just adding that soft ochre paint pot. Just like, you know, putting that all in my crease. So I can not cut the crease, but just give me a big base. That way my eyes can appear a little bit bigger. Sorry if I'm chatting over here in the basically just take any angled brush, just pat that on there with that base color. This is just to make my eyes appear a little bit bigger. I'm basically like pretty much done. I'm just gonna add some mascara and that's it. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It was just a little bit of inspiration, not a transformation, but more of just something to have fun with. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see like how people voted for which look they liked. Just gonna add a little wing liner. Like I said, towards the end the video got cut out, but it didn't cut out like everything. It was just like that last little thing. So since the video got cut out, I'm just going to insert some pictures of the finished look. Thank you guys for watching.